my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. First of all, I want to start by saying it's a springtime and the clocks has gone 1 hour forwards, and it is so nice feeling in the air, and the birds are chirping, and you can feel that spring is here. So anyway, back to our today's video, and I'll be creating a coaster set of 4 using these blues and white and a bit of silver mineral flakes. And today I am testing out a new resin that I ordered from Germany, from company Dupont. And yeah, I will see how it works. And of course, when you start to use a new resin, you need to adapt to it, you need to understand how it works. And by mixing together this resin, I noticed that it's very runny. So it has high viscosity, I guess that's what you say when it's runny. So we'll see how it's gonna turn out making coasters. So here, first things I'm doing, I'm putting some in separate cups, where I will add in one cup blue and in another one white. And I'm leaving about half for transparent. And these are colors that I will be mixing together, so I get the beautiful blue that it's really good together with silver flakes. So I'm nearly done with all my mixing, and now it's time to start pouring. So I'm starting by the blue on the outside edge, and I try to go as even as I can go. And I am absolutely in love with these molds that I got off Just For You online UK, and probably you will see me using these in next couple videos as well, because I have some ideas for them that I think the design will be great looking here. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate if you click a like, and if you like videos about resin, then consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new to see. Thank you. So I will put some music in the background for now and let you enjoy the pour, and come back to you in a bit. And now I'm just going around with my white pigment and filling up the molds and finishing off the coasters. And in this part I'm looking really forward this new resin, what kind of pattern is gonna make. And yeah, so here is a quick time lapse of how the resin moves. It's about 20 minutes. And of course, let them to cure for 24 hours, and now it's the next day and it's time to demold, and I'm super excited to see how they're gonna look. So I'm starting to unmold, and interesting. Nothing at all what I was expecting, but how I mentioned before, because it's quite runny, so it's high viscosity resin, and I never work with this kind of resin, so it's always adjustments to be made. And you can see, maybe notice here a little bit that the pigment seems to kind of sunk, and yeah, I don't dislike these coasters, but as well they are not my absolutely favorite so far. And so next step is just add silver edges, and then they're gonna be ready. And here they are all ready, and yeah, decent looking coasters, what can I say? I hope somebody will love them and adopt them. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.